Good morning guys, we have an unboxing today. Ayan. About again, straight from Japan. Okay, let's open the box, and this is what inside the box mo isulod. Okay, unboxing ta. What's inside the box? Okay, we have instruction manual. Okay, SLP Plus, straight from Japan. Safety instruction, dapat basahon ni. And alright, okay, inside the box abot ang sticker, little pouch. We have the power cable and the reel. Alright, ini sulod guys. Sana sana nado siya. Alright, cute gamaya de ani eh. Cute kayo guys. Alright, thank you Kenji Nagashima of the Seaborg 3000 JL. Okay, thank you for watching.